Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I will show you the setup, operation, care and maintenance for your iRobot Brava Jet 240 as well as the precautions. Alright, let's get started. When you open the box, first you will see the Brava Jet Robot Mop. Inside the small box, there is a washable wet mopping pad, a damp and a dry sweeping pad. Below the pads, there is a battery charger and its battery. Underneath the robot, you will find the instruction manual and also a warranty card. Alright, we're done with unboxing. First of all, you need to charge the battery. Place the battery into the charger and plug the charger into an electrical outlet. When the battery is charging, you will see the indicator light is blinking orange. The light will switch to solid green and the wall charger will automatically go to low power mode when the battery is fully charged. You should charge your battery for 2 hours in between every cleaning cycle. Once it is fully charged, you can fix into your robot. Now, select a cleaning pad that matches how you want to clean your floor. Your robot will automatically recognize the pad and adjust its cleaning mode based on the pad that you choose. Slide the pad into the track on the bottom of your robot until it clicks into place. Now, you can fill it up with clean filtered water if you choose wet mop or damp sweep. Also, you should not use any cleaning solution with your robot other than water to prevent any clogging and internal damage. You can use our proprietary cleaning solution. It is tested and proven to work flawlessly with the Brava series. Place your robot in the area you want to clean. Press clean buttons once to wake your robot, and then you press the clean button again to start the cleaning cycle. After it's done cleaning, you can eject the cleaning pad by lifting up the handle and pulling back the pad eject button. Remove the battery and put it in the charger so it can charge for the next cleaning. After that, empty the water tank before storing the robot. After you've done the setup, you can download the iRobot Home app and connect to it. Now, I will show you how to connect your robot with the iRobot Home app. In the app, on the Add a Robot screen, select Brava. Select the Brava Jet option, choose Add a Brava Jet. Tap Next until the end. Press the clean button to turn on your robot. The robot should be close to you. Please turn on your Bluetooth. The app will now search for your Brava Jet. Tap on it when it appears at the top of the screen. You can give cute names to your new little helper such as Kaka or Maria. After giving a name to your robot, click Continue. The app will display Add in Brava Jet. You should then see Brava Jet added once the setup is successful. Once your robot is connected, you can start to make it work for you. Tap the New Job Plus button on the top right corner to start. To control your robot remotely with the iRobot app, your robot needs to get at least 2.4 GHz or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. Now, I will show you some care and maintenance tips for your robot. To clean the clip sensor and the pad reader, use a damp cloth to wipe the bottom of your robot. To clean the wheels, pull off any visible dust or hair that gather around the wheel. clean the body of the robot, use a damp cloth to lightly wipe off any dirt on its body or bumper. To clean the Precision Jet Spray nozzle, use a damp cloth to wipe it. The washable pads can be reused up to 50 times before a replacement is necessary. We recommend you to hand wash and air dry the pads. If you're using a washing machine, use warm cycle and air dry. To clean the tank, fill the tank with warm water and do not use boiling water. Close the cap and lightly shake the robot. Rinse the tank and repeat. Allow the tank to dry with the cap open before using your robot. Here are some precautions you have to know. Robot mop has a lot of electrical parts inside, so always remember, do not submerge it in water. If you want to clean it, just use a damp cloth to wipe the robot surface, and you're done. Your robot mop is only for indoor use and on hard surface floors only, so you should not bring it outdoors. Do not use this device to pick up large trash, bleach, paint, or other chemicals. Also, you should not use it to pick up anything that is burning or smoking. Before you call out the robot mop to work, you have to remove fragile objects from the cleaning area, including objects on furniture that may fall if the furniture is pushed or bumped. You have to move any power cords as well as cords for blinds and curtains out of the way to reduce the risk of objects being pulled down. Your robot is not a toy, so do not sit or stand on this device. Parents should supervise their kids and pets when the robot is running. Use only clean filtered water or approved cleaning solution only. Alright, it is the end of the video. If you have any questions to ask, kindly contact our customer service or drop us your message on our website. We are always welcoming you. Thank you for watching and goodbye.